everyone, it's Melissa, and welcome back to my channel. We'll be making these adorable little earrings, and these are using items I claimed in the Softflex Company live sales. If you haven't checked out their live sales, they are fantastic. They are most Thursdays at 1 p.m. Pacific, 4 p.m. Eastern, and I will leave a link down below in the description for that. A couple weeks ago, they had these adorable little check glass pendants, and they were part of the Turtle Love kit. And you got one of them in the kit. And I will leave a link down below for all the Turtle Love tutorials I made with that fantastic kit. And I just fell in love with them and knew I wanted to make a pair of earrings. So when I saw them in the live sale, it was a perfect match. So I was able to make my little earrings. And I will be using soft flex wire in the turquoise, and then a couple of these little check glass beads in like a seafoam green color. And then, of course, our little pendant. You'll need some head pins, a 2x2, and some jump rings. And of course, your ear finding. And I will leave a link down below in the description for all other products I am using. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow, and you will be notified when there is an uploaded video. Let's start creating. So with these little pendants, they do have like a little tip on top. So sometimes the jump ring won't fit on that. So I kind of created a little way to make a veil out of soft flex wire. So you'll need about 5 inches of your soft flex wire and one 2x2. Slide your soft flex wire through your pendant, and this will work for any top drill bead. Slide on your 2x2. And then with the other string, we're just going to pass back through our 2x2, creating a little circle. A little bit of wiggle room on top of your bead or your pendant plate. Now on the longer side of your wire, we're going to loop back through our 2x2. So we'll pass it back through. And you could probably use this with maybe 3 inches of soft flex wire. I just like to use more because it's easier to hold. So we passed it back through and we have a little figure 8 or an infinity link. Now we're just going to make our adjustments. We want to make sure that it's the same size as our other earring. And you can do this as a pendant as well. So we'll have our little link. And what's nice about this is it also acts as a veil. So if you ever get stuck and you can't fit a jump ring through it, you can always use soft flex wire to make a veil or a connection point. So now we're just going to take our pliers and smash down our little 2x2. And my soft flex wire that I'm going to have left over, I'm going to save for a future project. So we're just going to go and give it a smash. Make sure it's nice and secure. And then we're just going to trim off our tails. First part of our earring completed. We have our little veil made out of soft flex wire. Now we're going to take our head pins and string on one check glass to each head pin. Once you added on all the beads to your head pin, we'll be making our loops. I'll be using the one-step looper in the 1.5 millimeter. You can also make a wrapped loop or a simple loop using round nose pliers. We just slide in our little bead and give it a squeeze, and it gives us the perfect loop. So we'll do that for all 8 of them. Once we have all our loops completed on our one-step looper, just take your round nose plier and make sure that they are completely closed. We're going to attach our jump ring to the soft flex wire. I'm going to hold it with my round nose pliers and I'm going to add on 2 little drops, and then I'm going to switch pliers and add 2 more on the other side. And this just helps keep the beads even. You're going to close your jump ring. You're going to hear a little click. We're just going to set that down for a moment. Pick up our next 6 millimeter jump ring and just go ahead and open it. Slide it on to our earring, making sure that we have 2 dangles on each side of that jump ring. We're going to do the same thing, just add on 2 more dangles. And if you wanted to make this a longer earring, you would just repeat the steps until you have your desired length. Then we're just going to close up our little jump ring. You'll hear that click and just hold it with the pliers. And since this check glass pendant is two-sided, it doesn't matter which way you add your ear wire onto. We're just going to slide it on and close up our ear wire. Sure everything is secure, and we'll have beautiful earrings using check glass and the Softflex Live Sale items. And of course, our Softflex wire in turquoise to make our little bail for our earring. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. Don't forget to check out the description for information on the Softflex Company live sales, as well as my earring tutorial playlist. Have a great day.